Ever hit that perfect resume sweet spot on an online builder, only to be slapped with a paywall right before you download? It's a frustrating experience, isn't it? You've poured your time and effort into crafting a document that represents your best self, and suddenly, it feels like you're being held hostage. We've all been there, staring at that upgrade to premium button, wondering if all that hard work was for nothing. Well, what if I told you there's a way to get your beautifully designed resume from Kickresume for free, without having to jump through hoops or resort to shady tactics? You might be thinking, that sounds too good to be true. Kickresume is a premium service, and you're right to an extent. Kickresume is a fantastic platform with tons of premium features, AI assistance, and a wide array of professionally designed templates that genuinely help you stand out. They offer a paid subscription for a reason. Their full suite of tools is incredibly valuable for job seekers. However, Kickresume also understands that not everyone is in a position to pay for a subscription, especially when they're actively looking for a job. They want to help as many people as possible land their dream roles. That's why they offer legitimate, straightforward ways to download your resume without spending a dime. This isn't about exploiting a loophole or a hack. It's about understanding how Kickresume's free tier works and making the most of it. See, many people overlook the capabilities of the free version, assuming it's too limited to be useful. But the truth is, Kickresume's free plan is surprisingly robust. It allows you to create a professional resume, and yes, even download it, provided you stick to the free customization options. The key here is knowing what those free options are and how to navigate the platform to ensure you stay within those boundaries. So let's demystify this. Kickresume's free plan allows for unlimited resume creations and unlimited downloads, as long as you use their free templates and free customization features. Where users often get tripped up is when they inadvertently select a premium template or a premium design element, at which point the download option becomes locked behind a paywall. It's not a trick. It's simply how their tiered service works. The good news is, there are several truly professional and effective free templates available on Kickresume. These aren't just bare-bones, unattractive designs. They are clean, ATS-friendly, and designed to make a strong impression on recruiters. The trick is to identify them and stick with them throughout your resume building process. Here's how you're going to do it, step by step. First, you need to sign up for a free Kickresume account. This is straightforward. Just use your email address or connect with your Google or Facebook account. Once you're in, you'll be directed to your dashboard. This is where the magic begins. When you start creating a new resume, you'll be presented with a gallery of templates. This is the crucial moment. You need to carefully select a template that is designated as free. Kickresume makes this pretty clear. Premium templates usually have a pro badge or a lock icon. Resist the urge to click on those glossy, multicolored premium templates, no matter how tempting they might be. The free templates are perfectly capable of getting you noticed. Look for options like Basic, White, or Europe. These are often part of their free offerings and are designed to be clean, readable, and professional. Once you've chosen your free template, you'll enter the editing interface. This is where you'll input all your information: contact details, summary, work experience, education, skills, and any other relevant sections. As you fill in your details, pay attention to any prompts or options that might suggest premium features. For instance, while their AI writer is incredibly helpful, some of its more advanced functionalities might be tied to a premium subscription. Stick to manually inputting your information or using the basic AI suggestions if they are available within the free tier. The same goes for customization. Kickresume offers a lot of options to change fonts, colors, and layouts. The free plan has a limited set of fonts and color schemes. Don't go wild trying to find that perfect shade of azure or an obscure serif font. If you venture into the premium customization options, you'll likely find your download button grayed out. Keep it simple and professional with the free choices. The goal here is a downloadable resume, remember? Another point to be mindful of is the number of skills you can add or the way they are displayed. Some premium features might involve graphical representations of your skill proficiency or allowing for an extensive list of skills. For the free download, focus on listing your most relevant skills in a clear, text-based format. As you build out your resume, Kickresume automatically saves your progress, which is a fantastic feature. Once you're confident that your resume is complete and you've stuck to all the free options, it's time to download. Look for the download button. It's typically clearly visible on the dashboard or within the editing interface. If you've played by the rules of the free plan, clicking this button should initiate a PDF download directly to your device. Kickresume allows unlimited PDF downloads for free users. If, for some reason, you click the download button and it prompts you to upgrade, it means you've inadvertently used a premium feature somewhere in your resume. Don't panic. Go back through your resume section by section. Check your chosen template, fonts, colors, and any special sections or design elements you might have added. Often, it's a subtle customization that triggers the premium requirement. Revert those elements to their free alternatives, and you should be good to go. It might take a few minutes of careful review, but it's much faster than starting from scratch or, worse, giving up entirely. Remember, the goal is to get a professional, well-formatted resume that you can use for your job applications. Kickresume's free options are more than sufficient for this. They provide a clean, ATS-friendly document that will pass through most applicant tracking systems without a hitch and present your qualifications clearly to hiring managers. You don't need all the bells and whistles of a premium plan to land your next job. What you need is a well-written, error-free resume that highlights your strengths. So, next time you're on Kickresume, build with confidence, knowing that a free, high-quality download is within your reach. Focus on your content, choose those free templates wisely, and you'll have a professional resume ready to impress without spending a dime. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.